That's the trash. Ooh-wee. What's up, vlog? Welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas was a failed attempt. Try again this year. But today we are headed to Ace Hardware to get some quote for some doors. I have already purchased flooring, waiting for that delivery. I will keep you updated on that as well. So we have the flooring. We're doing 3 5-gallon buckets of paint, 2 for the exterior, 1 for the interior. Hopefully one will cover both upstairs and downstairs. But I mentioned the doors. We have to get bathroom stuff and build the kitchen. So with that being said, I just hope you all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the progress. I'll be sure to show you a before and after. And yeah, so that's the haunted house up there, right? At the top of the hill. That one. Wait, you can't see it from right here. So I remember a YouTuber by the name of No Less or something. Don't quote me. Sorry if I chopped that, but I think they did a video something about the haunted house on the hill up there. Comment down below if that's the right location. So right here they're selling chicken hoops. to find our doors and paint. But we need a coat for the doors. Thank you. So guys, here's the paint area. We're in the paint section, as you can see, but I need to find the doors section, so hold on. It's working. It's working. Okay guys, so we have so far the paint stripper and ordered the doors. The doors will come with the flooring. Tomorrow we'll come back and get paint. I don't know what time they close. Have oh, can't come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. We probably could come back today, right? Before they close? Or no? I'm hungry. Let's see what they have.